Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App referral code not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if your referral code is not showing there, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now first of all guys, make sure that you're properly connected with the internet, and also make sure that you have updated the app. Okay guys, so from here guys, you have to search for the Cash App and just simply make sure that you are using latest version of the app. And after that, you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then tap on Cash App. You can offload the Cash App from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply turn off your device and then reinstall the app and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings again, and you can also check that you have updated your device to the latest version. If it's still not working, close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the Cash App again, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your profile. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it on, then tap on sport. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down again and just simply have to tap on chat. Now from here guys, just simply write here referral code is not showing. So just simply you have to send the message to Cash App Support team. Okay guys, and after that you can get the response from Cash App Support, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.